with the Native American and the Native Indian. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today I'm in One Bowling Green, New York City, and I'm going into the National Museum of the American Indian. You look all in here. They have that. And look at that, a romance. Yes, we got here, New York to the Nation, exploring history through the holdings of the National Archives. The United States Customs Service funding America. Got another Customs Service, Business of the Port. The mine of the port at the Customer Service. We got the Alexander Hamilton U.S. Customs House, a Master of Trade. Oh, we got symbols of the Grand Rotunda, a site of significance, and the Vivaldi applicates. New York City, the founding of a nation. The World's Port, the World's Market. I gotta tell you, there's many more of those. Oh, got all idea. So many old ones. Look at that, right? And much horse riding. And there's dancing it.
We'll follow the call. No, we'll go this way.
Look at walrus. Yeah, look at this walrus.
Oh my god, so cool. Hello, walrus.
I can see behind a flat tire. You got on the tooth there and in the mirror. And it goes.
It's like they're mega weird too.
like a New York aquarium.
Oh, you're right. You said tire. That's cool.
Yeah. It's cool.
This is a layer bag.
Layer bag.
Yeah. That's for, I don't know what is that for.
1938 to 1994.
So, look at what
Museum is really short, and it's really romance. And it's great for the American Indian. So if you're interested where you can go to National Museum of American Indian, let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe.